Taurus Zodiac Sign Horoscope Prediction 2023. Taurus is a zodiac sign that begins on April 21st and ends on May 21st. Taurus people enjoy nature and animals, and they enjoy gardening and working on a piece of land. According to the Taurus Horoscope 2023, this year you will spend more time thinking about the future and less time focusing on your current life. This year will see average professional development, and your finances may encounter hiccups from time to time. Aries will have a stable love life and good health for the majority of the year. Is Taurus blessed in 2023? Last year was relatively happy. The majority of the long-term planets were either ignoring you or in a harmonious aspect to you. Work and career appear to have enjoyed success and will continue to do so in 2023, but significant changes are brewing in 2023, particularly in the latter half of the year. Saturn, which has been making harmonious aspects to you, will change signs on the 16th of July and begin making inharmonious aspects to you. Success in your career can put a strain on your home and family life. You will be given more responsibilities at home and with family members. Health was reasonably good in 2022 and will be good for the majority of 2023, but when Saturn enters Leo on July 16th, you will need to be more careful with your energy. You will need to assess your situation, determine what is truly important to you, and focus solely on those things. In 2022, love was not a high priority, but that is changing this year. Jupiter will enter your 7th house of love and marriage on October 26th, kicking off a happy and active social cycle. This will last until 2024. There is love in the air. Single people are more likely to marry. Happy business partnerships and joint ventures are also possible. Many of you are hitting your stride professionally. You can find your dream career as well as your dream job. You are discovering areas that not only lead to outer, temporal success, but are also truly worthwhile for the world and personally satisfying. This pattern is expected to continue in 2023. Career and love are likely to be the most exciting and happy aspects of life in 2023. Whereas in 2022 the emphasis was on the mind, training thought processes, and honing communication skills, in 2023 the emphasis will shift to the emotional life. You will be asked to organize that area. Communication, intellectual interests until July 16th, home, family, and emotional life after July 16th, personal reinvention, personal transformation, sex, debt and repayment of debt, past lives, and reincarnation. This has been a long-term interest and continues this year. Career, friendships and group activities, spirituality after July 28th are the most important interests in the coming year. Spirituality, health and work, productivity until October 26th, love, romance, and social activities after October 26th are your paths to greatest fulfillment in the coming year. Taurus predictions for love 2023. Taurus couples, whether married or in serious relationships, will face numerous challenges in the coming year. It will get to the point where you may even split up with your partner, but you will work things out as the year progresses. Taurus zodiac sign love predictions reveal a period of commitment to each other towards the end of the year. To ensure that your marriage or relationship works, you must set aside your pride. It will do you no good to believe you are superior to your partner. Humble yourself, and everything will work out in your love life. Taurus couples will look at their partners from a different perspective, the relationship will take on new life, and they will decide to marry. Taurus women are likely to have a child. Taurus singles will have plenty of opportunities to find their soul mates in 2023. We advise them to get out of the house more often to deal with this. This is a clear area for improvement for you, particularly in relationships involving people from different places or nationalities. This area is experiencing growth, with August and September being the busiest. May is a month when things can change. Taurus prediction for career 2023. Business people will have a successful year. You will expand your business and form new partnerships this year. This is also an excellent year for Taurus natives to switch careers or request transfers or promotions. According to Taurus Horoscope 2023 astrology, your superiors at work will be proud of your efforts and hard work, and they will reward you accordingly. You will also form strong bonds with your co-workers. You will face numerous challenges that will test your nerves. It is critical to be tenacious and to demand what you believe you are entitled to. If your current job bores you and your current routine drains you, you might change jobs in 2023. In the final months of the year, you should be more serious and avoid mixing personal and professional life. A career change may occur early in the year, but only if you were born just as the sun entered Taurus. From 3 February to 21st of March, you should take more action in your work area and make excellent progress. In June or July, more variety may arrive in this area. Taurus predictions for finance 2023. With the funds at their disposal, most Taurus natives will be eager to purchase land or a home. Because your financial situation is stable, it is advantageous to invest in assets. However, do not make rash decisions that will cost you in the long run. Be frugal with your money and live within your means. Because the financial stars are aligned in your favor, now is the best time to invest in a venture that you are confident will be profitable. Spend your money wisely and pay off your debts while you can. Venus is not only your ruling planet, but it will also be in retrograde this year. From early April to early August, it will be present in your financial sector. This day is especially significant for a change in your financial situation. Negotiations will continue until an important contract is signed or a decision is made in late June. Late November/early December is a good time to end the year 2023. Taurus predictions for family 2023. Your family's tension will ease in the first quarter of the year. Things have not been going well because of ideological differences and conflicts that have arisen from time to time. Your family's elders will bless you by always working to restore peace, harmony, and unity among your loved ones. Predictions for the year 2023 indicate a period of new beginnings in your life. You will make decisions that are best for your family. You are happy and content if and when your loved ones are happy. Pregnancy planning must be done with caution. Taurus predictions for health 2023. This year will be fantastic for your overall well-being. Unless you bring bad health upon yourself, you will have nothing to complain about. Stick to a healthy diet, drink plenty of water, get enough sleep, and exercise frequently to stay in great shape. According to the 2023 Health Horoscope forecast, you should be well prepared to deal with minor illnesses that may arise from time to time. Consume the following foods: cranberry, beetroot, cauliflower, cucumber, spinach, onion, radishes, pumpkin, nuts, beans, and horseradish. Avoid fatty foods and carbohydrates. Those born between the 3rd and 7th of May should reconsider their alcohol or medication consumption this year. This group may be more vulnerable to infections caused by a weakened immune system. Sugar and sweet foods may be an issue for all Taurus people, but you can make some dietary changes from April to June that will help. Taurus social life changes. You must control your temper and how you interact with others. Don't let your emotions and feelings cost you the friendships you've worked so hard to build. Be careful not to offend those close to you with your outbursts. Do not let emotions get the best of you at any point in your life. Taurus yearly predictions 2023. You must approach life with a positive attitude in 2023. Change your perspective on things and be creative and innovative with your abilities. Be assertive in your thinking and strive to be productive in all that you do. There is no room for sluggishness this year. Push yourself to be your best, especially during the 2023 Mercury retrograde. Make a plan to advance your life. Do not disregard your instincts. Also, always listen to your heart. Do not bother if something is not right for you. Choose and stick to the things that work in your favor. Don't bother pretending to be someone you're not. Taurus monthly predictions 2023. January 2023. Good fortune will come your way, and most aspects of your life will flourish. February 2023. In everything you do, stay true to yourself. Do things that are good for you and stop comparing your life to the lives of others. March 2023. It is critical that you work on your interpersonal relationships. Do not let your emotions dictate how you interact with others. April 2023. Money will be scarce this month, but you will find a way to support yourself and your loved ones. May 2023. Your career will face some difficulties, but you will persevere because you are optimistic about the future. June 2023. Be wary of unnecessary spending. Always spend your money on necessities and stay within your budget. July 2023. This month, love will flourish in your life. All of your disagreements with your partner or spouse will be resolved. August 2023. Be open to the idea of making life changes. Do not stay in one place for too long. Change is required to thrive in life. September 2023. This month, your focus will be on your health. You can do anything productive with your life if you are in good health. October 2023. Do not abandon your loved ones simply because you and they are not on good terms. Allow them to push you up against the wall. November 2023. This is the best month to let go of people and things in your life that no longer serve a purpose. December 2023. Your business will thrive, and you will make new connections with people who will assist you in succeeding in business. Taurus man predictions. In 2023, you will have the opportunity to finally achieve your goals, to be recognized for your qualities, to prove who you are, and to overcome all obstacles to success. In love, you are protective, making sure to fulfill your partner's wishes and being concerned about her well-being. You prefer to fantasize rather than act on your fantasies because you are afraid of revealing your hidden naughty nature, but your partner will show you that you are free to express yourself. Spend more time with your loved ones instead of allowing work to take over your life. Some of you will refrain from mixing business and pleasure. Taurus woman predictions. Always loyal, you are aware of others' evil schemes but make no attempt to intervene. However, when you've had enough, your outburst will put things right. Professionally, your work is interesting but depressing, and it will eventually exhaust you. According to the Taurus Horoscope 2023, you will become bored with your partner at the beginning of the year, but don't worry, a pleasant event will rekindle the passion. The single natives will attend some dates that will irritate them. Conclusion. According to Taurus Horoscope 2023 predictions, you will embrace changes in your life because they will be a stepping stone to your success. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and trust that everything you do now will pave the way for a bright future. To thrive in life, you must learn to adapt to different people and situations. Allow your loved ones to not get in the way of your professional development. Create a sense of balance in your life and establish boundaries that your family will not cross. When making important life decisions, keep your emotions at bay.